we decided to put the roll cage and build a new race car with our E90 Cup car. Of course, first step is gut the interior, do all the dirty stuff, clean everything, take out all the sound insulation and things, and this is the real tedious part that takes forever to do. But if you want a nice cage, then you go to CageKits.com and you build yourself a kit, and they give you everything you need, from the baseboards to all the pipes. Everything's pre-bent, pre-notched. The beauty of the system is, if everything doesn't line up perfectly, it's you that did the mistake, made the mistake. So it fits perfectly every time, and all you have to do is, first we just tack welded everything in place, made sure everything fits right, and it fits like a glove. And then from there on, then we knew that we had everything in the right place, and we could go to the next phase of actually installing it permanently in the car. This is really fun. It's like putting together IKEA furniture. It's really fun to figure out exactly where all the pieces go, and there's actually some ways you can customize it to your needs. But once we did, then we started welding everything in place for real, and you really need to have a good welder machine and a good welder person to do this, and we had both, and it went really quickly. Usually when you do these things, it takes a few days to do at least, but since everything was a perfect fit and we didn't have to do any notching or anything like that, it took about 12 hours to do the entire operation, which was amazing. And of course, we used the Millermatic 211 Pro to do all the welding. This machine by Miller is awesome. You just tell it exactly what you're welding, and it figures out everything, all the speed and voltage for you. And it's a beauty of a machine. It just makes such nice welds, makes it look so easy. It even has a 110 plug that if you have smaller jobs, you don't even need 240. You can just use 110 volts and go at it. So anyway, of course we had the whole car gutted and the windshield out and all these things, which makes access a lot easier to some of these hard to find, hard to reach places. But yeah, once you start welding with this thing, you'll be spoiled. You won't want to do anything else. And it just it does really good quality stuff. Of course, afterwards, no matter what, you're still MIG welding, so you still have to do a little bit of cleaning after each one. But the machine is fantastic, and that you can actually see the numbers change as you're welding. It's pretty nifty. But anyway, so it took us, like I said, about 12 hours to finish the whole CageKits kit. It fit perfectly, and yeah, there were very little modifications we needed to make. We wanted to do some custom work a little bit, which needed a little bit of trimming, and for that we used the Spectrum 375 plasma cutter by Miller. This thing cuts through this tubing like butter, and it makes it so much easier. It's quiet, it's fast, it's clean, and it's as clean basically as your hands, depends on how much your hands shake. But it does a fantastic job of cleaning it up. And then by the time we were done, we made it to the first race, and we actually won it. Enrique won the race for us. So that was the plan with this car. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.